Like, oh my god, summertime, yay! I know, that's what everybody's saying, right? Here's the thing. Sorry about that. This fucking Android pisses me off. No, I'm not mad at you, sweetie. Sorry. My dog just got scared. Thing about summertime is, this summertime in particular is pissing me the fuck off because it's so fucking hot. It's not even a nice hot. It's like a miserable fucking hot. I think today is like the first day that we've actually had some like cool breeze a little bit. I don't fucking know. I'm so bored. I'll probably be making videos all day long. Shout out to ya. This is what I'm eating for lunch. I don't know what the fuck it is. 3 cheese ziti marinara. I don't remember. It's like one of those things in the boxes for overweight people, to say it nicely. But it's all I could find right now in this house because we have no fucking food. So I said that nicely, or well, softly. So I gotta go eat now. Oh, that sounded horrible. And I'm gonna text my boyfriend. Okay, so bye.